Hello guys, I hope you're having a nice time this new year. So today's session we'll be looking at the solution for x in an equation that has x in both numerator and the denominator. For our session today, we'll be looking for the solution for the value of x in this equation where we have x with a maximum power of 2. So in this case, with this kind of a problem, the first thing we'll be required to do will be to check for the common denominator, where we have x minus 2, x plus 2, and x squared minus 4. The best thing to do in the first place would be to expand this x squared minus 4, which appears to be excuse me, the difference of squares. So in this case, let me just write this equation. Let's say this is x over x minus 2, then we say plus, and get another fraction here, 3 over x plus 2, then we say this is equal to, get another fraction here, then we say this is 5x plus 4. So in expanding this x squared minus 4, which is represents a difference of squares, excuse me, so this will be say this is x minus 2. Okay, just click outside here, introduce another bracket here, then x plus 2. Alright, now looking through these denominators, you realize that x minus 2 and x plus 2 is a common denominator for all these terms, because this one divides x minus 2, and again this divides x plus 2. So that solves the problem already. So then we continue. Then in solving this problem, we will now rewrite it, having in mind our new common denominator. So in this case, we will have, let's bring a fraction there. Then we will say our denominator now is basically x minus 2. Okay, then x plus 2. Okay, so we will take x minus 2 into bracket x plus 2 divided by x minus 2. So x minus 2 will cancel x minus 2. So then we remain with x plus 2. So in this case, this is x in the bracket, and we'll have x plus 2. Okay, then we have this plus here. Right, again we divide our denominator by x plus 2. So you see this x plus 2 cancels x plus 2, then we remain with x minus 2. So we say then you have this term here, 3 in bracket, let's say x minus 2. Okay, now we are done with the left side of the equation. Then we say is equal to, let me bring again, write another fraction there. So this is 5x plus 4 over x minus 2. Okay, x plus 2. All right, now Now, having a common denominator, as you can see in the left hand side of the equation and the right hand side of the equation, so we can do away with the denominator. Okay, so we can write the equation without the denominator because we have a common denominator in the left and the right hand side of the equation. So in this case we'll have x in bracket, okay, x plus 2, all right, plus 3 in bracket x minus 2, okay, is equal to 5x plus 4. Now that becomes our new equation. We need to open the brackets now. So here we will have x times x is x squared plus x times 2 is 2x, right, plus 3 times x is 3x, okay, minus 3 times 2 is 6. Let me say this one is equal to 5x plus 4. All right, okay, then we continue. Now we need to collect the like terms together, so it's a x squared plus 2x, okay, plus 3x, all right. Then we bring this 5x to the left hand side, all right. So this 5x is plus 5, so when it crosses the equal sign it becomes minus 5x. So now we have minus 5x, okay, then is equal to, now we have 4, then we want to pair it with this 6. Now here we have minus 6. When it crosses the equal sign to this other side, it becomes plus 6. So we say plus 6. All right. Now here we have x squared, all right, plus, this is 2x minus 3x, no, sorry, 2x plus 3x minus 5x. So basically this is 5x minus 5x. This is 5x minus 5x, okay, is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10. All right. Then now we have x squared, okay, is equal to 10. See? Yeah. So our answer basically is, we'll find this is basically x. We'll find the square roots on both sides of the equation, the left and the right is equal to, sorry, so it's just a matter of writing this one here is equal to, okay, 10. Now the square root of x squared is x, okay, x is equal to, so this one is either, has to be plus or minus 10. Let me write it in a long format. So our answer is x is equal to the square root of 10 or x is equal to minus square root of 10. And that's obvious here in this graph here. It's also shown. Yeah, so just for the recap, basically when you have an equation where you're supposed to find the value of x, and x appears in both the numerator and in the denominator, and the first thing you're supposed to do is to expand where necessary. As in our case, it was just this one, to expand the difference of squares. Then once that's done, you find the common, what basically is known as the, would say the least common multiple, okay, for the denominator terms. So in this case, our common denominator would be x minus 2, x plus 2, because basically this one divides all the other terms. This divides this divides this, and then also this one can divide itself. So once done, then everything is sorted. Yeah, so thanks guys. Let me know if you have suggestions.